All right, I have here a Sunny Health and Fitness. It's a SF-B901 model. I had some creaking in the cranks here, and all I did, and the creaking only happened after I tightened the chain. The chain was pretty loose. So you just got this cover here. See if I can get it off here. There we go. And there's a 15mm socket. You just stick her on there, tighten her up. I noticed that there was play in the cranks when I wiggled them this way, and the creaking went away as soon as I did that. Also, if it's wobbling on you, make sure that these, I believe they are 6mm Allen key. You want to make sure those are nice and tight. Same with on the front here. Make sure that, sorry about my light there, these 6mm are nice and tight. And as far as tightening the chain goes, you want to take off the chain guard with these Phillips. I don't know if mine's missing the cover part here, but you take off these Phillips all the way around. There's one on the back here too, down on the bottom. Then you're going to want to use a 19mm socket. And on the side here, let's see here, loosen this slightly. Over here, you put a 19mm open-ended wrench on that side, socket on the other end, loosen that slightly. And then you have these guys to adjust. 13mm here, 13mm here. And all I did was grab it here, boom. You want to make sure that you tighten or loosen these the same amount. So I just did like a full rotation, or sorry, a half rotation. And then on this side, a half rotation. And then I looked at the chain from over here with the cover off, made sure that there's 1/2 inch, I believe, of play in the middle section of the chain. So I think right here. Other than that, I cleaned the pads, lubed them up with silicone grease, or you can use 3-in-1 oil. And I cleaned and lubed up all the moving sliding parts here, here, and here. And that seemed to help a lot. Now it's running pretty smooth and not making any noise.